Volcanoes, symbols of nature's raw power, capable of reshaping landscapes in a fiery spectacle of molten rock and ash. But what happens when this primal force meets the raw energy of lightning? You get volcanic lightning, one of the most spectacular and mysterious phenomena on Earth. For centuries, volcanic lightning has captivated and puzzled scientists. Unlike ordinary lightning, which originates in thunderstorms, volcanic lightning is born from the heart of a volcanic eruption. The process is a complex interplay of fire, ice, and static electricity, high in the sky where the ash plume reaches altitudes with freezing temperatures. As ice crystals and ash particles collide within this turbulent cloud, they generate an electrical charge, much like static cling in your clothes dryer, but on a scale thousands of times larger. But volcanic lightning isn't confined to the icy heights of the plume. Near the volcano's vent, where temperatures are far too hot for ice to form, a different type of lightning takes shape. Here, the raw energy comes from the intense friction of ash particles, volcanic rock, and superheated gases colliding in the eruption column. This friction generates massive amounts of static electricity, creating spectacular sparks and lightning bolts that dance around the volcano's mouth, like a fiery, electric ballet. Unlocking the secrets of volcanic lightning requires venturing into dangerous territory. Scientists use sophisticated instruments like lightning mapping arrays and electromagnetic sensors to study these electrifying displays. They're trying to understand what triggers the lightning, how it's connected to the eruption dynamics, and what it can tell us about the volcano's inner workings. But studying volcanic lightning isn't just about satisfying scientific curiosity. This phenomenon has practical applications too. By monitoring the frequency and intensity of lightning strikes, scientists can track the progress of an eruption in real time, even in remote or inaccessible locations. This information can be crucial for providing early warnings to communities at risk. From the explosive eruptions of Sakurajima in Japan to the fiery displays of KRAKATOA in Indonesia, volcanic lightning offers a breathtaking glimpse into the untamed power of our planet. It's a reminder that even amidst destruction, nature can create moments of extraordinary beauty. And while we've learned a great deal about volcanic lightning, many mysteries remain. How does the presence of water affect the intensity of the lightning? What role do volcanic gases play in generating electrical charges? Further research is needed to unravel these secrets hidden within the heart of Earth's fiery depths. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us out. And if you want to stay updated on more amazing videos, subscribe and join our growing community. We've got plenty more to share, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. See you in the next video.